Hello all. You guys, I know, are not all in humanities, but it's going to look the same for the content for today. So yours will just say your period as well as have your specific map picture on the left-hand side here. So in order to access this Nearpod, you're going to go to Materials, as always, and then you're going to go to 6th grade Ancient Rome Review. Once you do that, you'll see the Nearpod that says Student Paste, and then it says Ancient Rome from Republic to Empire. If you click on that, it'll take you right to the Nearpod that I've created for you, and then you'll just go through. Make sure you play every single slide because I talk on just about all of them. So there will be a little play button at the bottom that you must click in order to hear my voice. If you do not hear my voice, you will struggle with this because I explain everything in great detail. Make sure that you're playing each and every slide. Let me see if I can actually access it to show you. So it should pop up in your Schoology page. I don't know if it's going to work for me because my computer's been super slow today. So we're going to just join lesson. And then you'll see down here is a little play button. Make sure you hit that on each slide that has it. And then this way you can hear me talking to you. If you have any questions at any point in time, feel free to email me or send me a message through Schoology. Hopefully you guys do not have any questions for this, but if you do, just let me know.